Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to find someone on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that just simply tap at this search icon on the very top right corner like that, and here search for the name of that person. I'll recommend you to search for the first name and last name like that. Once you search for the person name, it will show the bunch of different profiles. Once you tap at people, here it will show much of different profiles. Here you have to find the profile of that person by like making any guess. You can guess it from this profile picture, whatever. That's up to you, to whom you're finding, you know it better. And once you find that person, just simply tap at follow. So that's how you can easily find someone on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be recommending you to check the latest video on Ant. Thanks guys, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.